Hello, guys. Welcome to live seventh session of free digital marketing course. Before we go for a class, let me show you guys. So there are some openings I'm mentioning on my LinkedIn. People who are live, try to follow me on LinkedIn. Type Subhash Mangalam. With this profile pic, you will see it. Connect with me. Almost every week, 7 to 10 jobs I'm posting. So as of yesterday, I posted 3 jobs here. There is a company called Incor is looking for experienced digital marketer, 2 to 4 years. They're paying around 4 to 6 lakhs package. So this is his email ID. Just send your resume. They're looking for a PPC expert, means Facebook and Google Ads expert. Next, Medicover Hospital, which is really good opportunity. Working with hospitals on a long run, you can expect high salary. So Pravalika, send your resume to pravalika.medcore@gmail.com. They need two positions. One is Google Ad expert, one is Facebook Ad expert. They're paying you 4 lakhs per annum. Finally, this is a real estate company. They mostly, preferably, they want female candidate actually, at least 1 year experience. If you are a fresher, they're paying you 18,000 salary. If you are at least 1 year experienced, they're paying around 3 to 4 lakhs package and incentives. Like if a plot is sold, you'll be getting a commission. That is the beauty of the real estate. Two different, hospital and real estate. Hospital on a long run salary will be great. When it comes to real estate, you'll get a very good incentives. Two are good niche. So people who are interested, these are the email IDs. Just apply for them. Now we'll directly jump to the class. Last class we discussed how to do on-page optimization. On-page optimization means directly going to the content, how to write the content, how to do keyword research, mixing both of them, how to use them in important places we have discussed. I'm going to revise the topic again so that it will be easy. And today, all of you sitting on your blog, writing and submitting. So today, my topic is revision on how to do on-page optimization, then how to submit your website to Google Webmaster Tools. It is also called these days Search Console. How to submit your website to Search Console also I'm going to show you. Very, very important class. Just come back to our blog. Right. So whoever want to write a page or post content, remember what is important is first content research. Original content should be there, no duplication. Even I suggest not even a spinning it. If you want, research the content. There are some software you just speak about it, they'll write. Take them and put it in a quillboard. That is much better. Already I mentioned in my previous videos. Second thing is do proper keyword research. It is research, what is brainstorming, Google suggest, Uber suggest. With that, do keywords. Now mix both content and keywords and try to use them in your page or post. Focus more on these places, title, description, and all these things. See, title should be 60 characters. You should not exceed 60 characters. Description should be 160 characters. By default, title description will not come on your WordPress website. You have to install plugin. Does anybody remember the plugin name? You can mention in the chat. What is the plugin?
All known SEO and use.
All-in-one SEO pack, right? Pawan, today your voice also echoing. Either you can use all-in-one SEO pack or Yoast. Anything is fine. I prefer you install all-in-one SEO pack. So here, I've already installed all-in-one SEO pack. That's why title description is there. Next, think about the headings, links, file name, first line of the paragraph, image alt, and bold and italics. So here, my content is ready, and this is my topic: resorts in Hyderabad. Then I'll go one by one. First, I'm going to write a title. When I scroll down, see here is the title option. By default, they gave something. Delete them. We'll write our own. Even description also they gave. Do keyword research properly. Yesterday we done a keyword research for resorts. When you do for resorts, people are searching resorts in Hyderabad, best resorts in Hyderabad, top resorts in Hyderabad, cheap resorts in Hyderabad, resorts in Hyderabad for family, for team outing, with water games, with spa. That's where so many keywords are there. Based on all the keywords, you should have a title. So I'm finalizing my title as a, just see here. So I'm mentioning top and best resorts in Hyderabad for family and team outing. I didn't use resorts in Hyderabad, comma, best resorts in Hyderabad. No. I mentioned in one sentence, it is satisfying. Resorts in Hyderabad for family, best resorts in Hyderabad, top resorts in Hyderabad, resorts in Hyderabad for team outing. It is satisfied. And again in the description, whatever the keywords I missed, like spa, water games, unmarried couple, this all thing, try to. So I'm writing, if you are looking for budget friendly resorts in Hyderabad, whatever company, Leonia is the best place for unmarried couple with water games and spa. What are the amenities? So you can use up to 160 characters. Okay, this is how you can write title and description. If you exceed more than 60 characters, it will show in red color and it will not show on the Google. It will show up to 60 characters only. Okay, now I'm done with the title and description. Let me go for the headings. Crawler will not read the complete content. So even when it comes to the user as well, whenever he's reading a content, he can't read this content. That's why every 4 to 5 paragraphs, try to use one heading. So to use a heading, click here. There is a plus symbol, heading. Now mentioning luxury resorts in Hyderabad. Now after 4, I'll use one more heading here, plus symbol, heading with water games and spa. So I try to use keywords in the heading so that when crawler comes to my website, crawler might not read all, but crawler definitely read the headings, right? I'm giving a hint to the Google that, okay, these are I'm targeting. No Skills Academy, subscribe this every day 6:15. We are live. Okay. Now we got title, we got description, we got headings. Remember one thing, by default, this is a H1 heading. This H1 heading should not be repeated. See here, this I have used as a H2 heading. This, if I want, I can make it as a H3. H2 also can repeat, but H1 should not be repeated. Google don't like it. Okay. Next, crawler might not read all the content, but Few of them, like see the keyword called Hyderabad, I want to make it as a bold. There is a keyword called research, italic. Even as a user as well, as a customer also, when you're reading, if some words are there bold, italic, it will highlight, right? In the same way, Google as well, you're giving a hint like these are highlights. So what are the keywords you're targeting? Hyderabad, research, budget, spa, water games. Try to make them bold or italic. Don't do too much. Every every paragraph, try to make three or four. Okay, not much. Pawan, is there any student called Pratik in our class? Someone named Pratik has joined.
Dinakal himself.
Okay. Oh, anyway, we can accommodate only 6 people, so he can't join. Only he can join over there only because this is the free version I'm using. Right. So we're done with the title, description, headings, bold italics is done. Let's talk about file name. See this diagram? This is a page of A website. This is a B website. And in the A website, we have different pages: home page, about us page, contact us page, services page. From home to about us, there is a link. From services to contacts, there is a link. Within your website, one page to another page, you have a link. It's called internal links. So traffic is going within the website only. From your website to another website, the link is going. This is called outbound link. Someone click, it will go to the other website. But if you're getting a link from other website to your website, which is called backlink, which is very famous. But in this context, we're not discussing about the backlink. We'll talk about internal links and outbound link. How to give internal and outbound links. Just see this. Within my content, I'll take some word. There is a word called Hyderabad. I'm selecting it. And here is the link button. This is the link button. Click on that. Within the same website, I'm linking back to my home page, Azure. I'm in tech.woozy.in, separate page, and I'm linking back to the home page. This is called internal link. Customer will go to the same website. Now there is a word called budget friendly. What I'm doing, I'm selecting it. When it comes to link, I'm linking back to other website. Not the same website, I'm linking back to another website. Done. Publish. I'll show you the content now. See, when crawler has visited your website, they will see all the bold letters and italics letters. It will crawl. They will see, there are some clickable text. What are the link I given? It's become clickable. Now this is internal, this is outbound. If I click here, it will go to the same website. If I click here, it is going to other website. But it's not a matter whether customer is going to your website, other website. As long as these are highlighting, this is really good for your SEO. My suggestion is, good practice is, try to give more internal links, at least one outbound link. Don't be confused. At least one external website, try to give a link, because Google loves if you give a link to other website. Don't try to give a link to your competitors. Now you're already Leonia Resort. You can't give it to Pragati Resort, right? But whom to show means, there is one girl who is talking about resort. Her is a blog. You can link back to her than the competitor. So there will be no problem. Next, there are two things there: file name and image alt, and first line of the program. So definitely one image should be there. Image can be anywhere, but I recommend minimum one image should be there in a featured image. You can have n number of images in the content, but this is mandatory. This is like a thumbnail, guys. You might have seen. One second. There are some questions. Let me see it. Shall we create a resort in Hyderabad with water games and spa as H2? Vishnu, you can have. No problem. See, right hand side, these are called thumbnails. We don't know this image or this kind of content is there in the video or not. But this thumbnail is a kind of information that we're talking about this. In the same way, to your blog, you have to give one featured image. So I'm adding a featured image. This is not a resort, but I'm just using. But I told you, image Google will not understand. Definitely have to give a alternate text. So I'm giving alternate text as a resort in Hyderabad. Its title and description is not mandatory, but if you really want to give the same. This comes under image SEO. We'll talk more about it in the future. Now, if you want to add one more image here, now assume that luxury resorts in Hyderabad. I want to add one more image here. You can add image here. Click on the plus symbol. Click on image from media library. I'm using this image. Again here, this image also should have alternate text, right? Don't use the same alt text, resorts in Hyderabad. Instead, I'm giving luxury resorts in Hyderabad. You have many keywords, right? That's why please do keyword research so that you will never get a shortage of that. Luxury resorts in Hyderabad. Right. That's it. Now let's see the checklist. Title done, description done, headings done, links done, image all done, bold italics done. These two not done. We'll keep it like that only. Let's see. The beauty of all-in-one SEO pack is below title description, if you come, there is an option called focus key phrase. What is this focus key phrase? Whenever you want to write a content for a page or post, definitely something is focused in your mind. I want to come on top for the particular keyword. If you want to write a blog on Ganesh, you might be want to come on top for Kaitabad Ganesh 2022, wedding photographers in Hyderabad, interior designers in Hyderabad. In such a way, you have one thing in your mind, the focus keywords. In this page or post, my focus keyword is resorts in Hyderabad. Come back, put it in a focus keyword. What is yours? Resorts in Hyderabad. Add focus keywords. Now they'll tell you the marks. Marks are nothing but before this all-in-one SEO pack only, I was working. I got some ideas. What is good? Since actually so many bloggers gave the information, then this tool have developed. According to this, the understanding is okay. Your focus key phrase should be in a title. Whatever the focus key phrase you're thinking, it should be there in the title. I mentioned in the title anyway. See, research in Hyderabad. It should be repeated at least once in a description. I mentioned. Next, focus key phrase length. The length is not too much, not small. He's happy with that. Next, focus key phrase in the headings. So main heading is there. In subheading also one time I repeated. If I repeat many times the same thing, research in Hyderabad, then what happens? Google will tell you that you're doing too much. New Skills Academy, yes, all the live video will be there on my channel. You can check it. Okay. Next, image alt. Just now for image, I gave alternate text. Okay. If you scroll down, content length also good. Internal links, I gave one internal link. I gave one external link also. So that's why it gave me 83 marks. But few things are missing. Focus key phrase and introduction. Introduction, I want to have one focus key phrase. So let me give a focus key phrase in the introduction. Research in Hyderabad, bus. Let's see, the marks will increase. 93. One thing is missing. Focus key phrase in the URL. Let me update. Let me check the post. You just see a resorts in Hyderabad. My home page is tech.oozy.in. But when it comes to this, The URL is like this. So in a WordPress, you have to do one setting so that it will be proper. Only one time you do it, it will be done. So for this, go to dashboard. Only one time you do it, it's enough. Settings, permalinks. By default, the URL is tech.woozy.in slash page ID is there. That's why the page ID p equals to 32 it is coming. Instead of that, if you use this, date and name will come. If you use this, month and name will come. If you use numbers will come. Better you can use post name. Tech.woozy.in slash the post resorts in Hyderabad will come. Save changes. Now, just see the difference. See, resorts in Hyderabad, the thumbnail image is coming. Actually, this image is not all there in the content. It will just show you. See here, resorts in Hyderabad. This is the perfect one. Now, let us check the score now. Update. 100 by 100, everything is fine. As long as you're maintaining all the parameters perfectly, your SEO will be fine. I'm not saying that you'll come on first position, but from your side, there are no mistakes. You have a very good chance that you can compete with your competitors. Vishnu, you don't have to follow any predefined size for free featured image. Anything is fine, but make sure that you use alt text. Okay, Sudhir Mishra, keep on going. Okay, now all set. We done our first blog, and if you see, this is the blog. How Google will see this, I'm going to tell you. Guys, someone tell me, where is the bold italic? You are seeing the screen, right? Can you see bold italic? You can mention in the chat box what are the bold italics you can see. We'll try to cover everything. What are you writing? So you can see the bold and italics, right? Guys, people who are in class, you can speak out. Shant, Mallikarjun. Hyderabad as bold. Correct? So these are bold. Guys, can you see any links? What are the links you will see here in the content? Crawler will not read. Yeah. Crawler will not read each and every line, but crawler will read bold italics and links. What are the two links you've seen here?
Hyderabad
Links.
and
budget friendly.
Correct. Hyderabad and budget friendly as a links. Okay. What is the first line of the paragraph?
Resorts in Hyderabad.
Such in Hyderabad. What is my title?
Resorts in
resorts
Hyderabad.
in
Where is the title?
So HK interior.
This one? This is not my title. Remember, you see this? This is the H1 heading only. But in my content, where is the title? This is not title, this is not title. Then where is the title? Do you remember what is the title I gave? Anybody remember what title I gave? Anybody can tell. So you just see this. I gave a title as Top and Best Resorts in Hyderabad for Family and Team Outing. Where is this title here? Know where it is? Any idea where it has gone? Correct. So Vishnu, correct. See here, see my cursor. See my cursor. Title will be here. Top and best resorts in Hyderabad for family. And so title will be here. Whatever the title you're giving here and the description, title will be here. For any website, not only you, other websites, a page also. Now see here. This is the Hyderabad Tourism Travel. Their title is Top 11 Resorts in Hyderabad. Hyderabad Tourism 2012. This is how you can see any website title. Any website title you can see. Now, description. Does anybody have an idea where will you see the description? Title and description can't be seen. At least title you will see. If you want to see any website description, right click on the page, view page source. You will see the title and description. So this is the title, top and best resorts in Hyderabad. And this is the description. Any website you can see. So you mentioned if you are looking for a budget-friendly resorts in Hyderabad, Leon is the best place for unmarried couple with water games. So in such a way, you are into interior designers. You do keyword research, you confirm title and description, but once go and check your competitors. You can check your competitors' titles and descriptions as well. Then you can decide better what to take. Now let's see this. Let's take some digital marketing institutes. So I told you, right, how to check it. Just right click, view page source, and you will see the titles and description. Because of some coding, if you don't find it, just Control F and title you will be getting. See, here is the title, digital marketing course, digital marketing training in Hyderabad, digital list. When it comes to description, Digital Nest offers the best digital marketing course training institute in Hyderabad. Someone try to tell me what these people have tried to done. Best digital marketing course training institute in Hyderabad. Generally, when I write in a content, I might have used best digital marketing course in Hyderabad, or best digital marketing institute in Hyderabad, or best digital marketing training in Hyderabad. I can't use digital marketing course training institute in Hyderabad. This is disgusting if I use in the content, but you can use in a description, no problem, because user is not going to see this. But why these people have done? Because they want to come on top for a course, for a training, for institute. So this kind of practice is correct only. Try to use keywords in the title and description, but make sure that don't overstuff it. Don't overstuff it. In such a way, any company website title description, you can see it. So once again, I'm telling, go to any website, right click, view page source, and you will find the titles and description. I'm giving you a task for tomorrow. Just note down. Did I give any task before regarding research? Did I give?
No, sir.
All right. Okay. Find 5 resorts in Hyderabad, like Leonia, Pragati, like 5 resorts in Hyderabad. And I want to know, this is the resort name. What is their title? What is their description? You can easily find it. What are the remarks? Assume that some website title is not good. Mention that title is not good. Description is not good. Finally, if you work with any of the resort, what do you think? What is the best title and description you recommend? I want to have the proper title and description. So I want to have 5 resorts name and check the website. What is the title and description, whether it is good or not. And most of the resorts doesn't have proper title and description. Mention the remarks. So write this in Excel sheet and mail me on this. People who learning online, you can also do that so that I'll assess and reply back to you. Bashmangalam790@gmail.com. Prashant Pawan, is the task is clear?
Yes, sir.
So SEO is a mind game, you know. The more you practice, you'll understand. The best way to learn digital marketing is observe your competitor. 50% of the knowledge you will get there only. Remaining 50% you should learn and apply. Right. Vishnu, almost the website owner never logged. I never see such thing. If he logged, so Vishnu is asking the question like, some people can log, they can't right click and see. Then what you can do is go to Google and type. Imagine that Digital Nest website has logged. Type Digital Nest. Welcome on Google. So you will see the description and title over here. And I'll try to tell you one thing. Digital marketing course in Hyderabad. When you search, the results will come, right? When I'm searching, some kind of snippet is coming, right? When I click it, go to the website. So whatever the title you gave, whatever the description gave, it will appear here. So your title and description, customer can't see in the website, but when it is appearing in the Google, you can see their title and description. So if any of the website, when I right click, it's not opening, you can go to the Google and type. If they're coming somewhere in the top 20, you will see their title and you will see your description. So this is how you can take their title and description. Right. Now we are done. We wrote a content. We got 100 marks. So students, Prashant, Mallikarjun, Pawan, Harsha, and Lakshmi is not available today. Lakshmi, what I have to do is all of you, I think all of you have a website. Lakshmi, I'll be giving a website today. Please send me an email. I want all of you to select one topic and write like this. It's up to you. I think I gave last week some topics. Those topics inside the content, make sure that you finish all of them. Title, description, headings, links, proper. Make sure that your mark should be 80 plus. 100 possible, it's okay. If 80 plus also, it's okay. That's it. This is about on-page optimization. When 6 to 7 people have done this, I'll check. So 7 people make 7 mistakes. So that you will learn from the mistakes. I'll explain them. So now I'm going for a Google. How to submit your website to the Google. I'm going to show you. Before that, if you have any questions, please let me know, guys. Is everything clear, or else do you have any question? If you have any questions, please let me know, guys. No questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to submit your website to the Google. How to submit your website to the Google. So there is a tool. The tool name is Webmaster Tools. Because we are it's been 10 years we're using Google. The first name they add is Webmaster Tools, but now they named it as a Search Console. Search Console. Make sure that you're already logged in with a Gmail account. Sudhir, I've used a tool called All-in-One SEO Pack. All-in-One SEO Pack I've used. Or else you can also use Yoast. In All-in-One SEO Pack, they'll give you score 80, 100 like this. Yoast will not give you score, but they'll tell you that you're doing a mistake. You're over optimizing it. You're using less keywords. Both are good, but I personally like All-in-One SEO Pack. So you can go for All-in-One SEO Pack. Once you become experienced, you can go for a Yoast. Right. Now let me submit to the Google. So type Search Console on Google. This is the Search Console. Click on this and click on Start Now. And you should log in with your Gmail account because I already have an account. It is showing. See, from one of my client, last 28 is the days it's showing. Feb means it's giving 3 months data. Within 3 months, we attracted 63,000 traffic, which is great actually. It's not easy. We're going to show you this more later. As of now, let's work with a new website. When you're doing for the first time, you type search console, log in with the Gmail account, you will get this box. There are two boxes, first and second. Go for the second box. Don't go for the first box. Why not the first box? We'll discuss later. As of now, we'll go for a second box only. Second box. So why you have to go for this? Let me explain. So how the crawler is working, I'm going to show you. So these are all the different websites in the world. There are so many websites. So these websites are linked to one by one. Each and every website internal links which will form a web. They call web like this only. Okay, it's a web. Now we know spider, right? I'm talking about the insect spider as well. This spider insect, what it will do is it will create a web in your homes. It will create a web, very powerful web. Why it will create a web is it's a trap. If any insect fall in this trap, it will go and later it will eat. That's why even the people also call it as a web and they call it as a spider. The spider crawls and find the insect. In the same way, every website is internal link. It forms a web. The software crawler will come and check this website content. Then if it is linked, it will go and check. In such a way, crawler will read each and every website content. But when it comes to you, you created a website, your website is somewhere here. It's very new. Assume that in your home, the spider is there. It can catch if any insect is in the trap. If the insect is independent, crawler, the spider will not catch it because this is independent. It go very slow. In the same way, if your website is not part of the web, crawler will not catch it. So here what we're going to do is we have to introduce to the crawler that see crawler, see Google, I'm the new website. Please let me into this thing. Then what Google will do is Google form a link here so that you will be part of this. There is a possibility Google will fetch your content also. This process we are doing now so that crawler will come and read our content. For that only, what we're doing, we're going to search console and manually submitting. Some people ask questions, is this mandatory? Do I have to submit to Google? It's not required, but crawler somehow will find you, but I don't know how much time it will take. It might take 30 days, 1 year as well. These days, as the websites are increasing, it become hectic for them. So it's mandatory that you have to introduce yourself to the crawler. That's why go to search console and select this box. Now here, mention your website name, whatever the website name is there. My website is tech.woozy.in. Come back and paste it over here. Then click on continue. So you are giving your website name. I don't know, right, whether it is correct or not. You might be giving someone else's website. Then Google asks a question. Why should I believe that this is your website, man? What is the verification? Here is the verification method. Ignore this. We have some easy methods. You can do with HTML tag, analytics, tag manager. Even you can log into your domain name provider and do it. But I prefer this HTML tag. It's very easy. Click on this. You will get a code. Copy this code. Come back to your website. I'm going back to the website. Observe this because whatever the process I'm showing you, this will be same for Webmaster, Google Analytics, Tag Manager, remarketing. So many where this process is same. Go to your website, appearance, theme file editor, appearance, theme file editor. Now this is the place where the complete code of your website is there. Because WordPress means it's WordPress, it doesn't have any coding. This is the only place where the coding will be there. So go to here, but you should not paste everywhere or anywhere. This will disturb your theme. So let me show you where to place. Check right side. Right side you have an option called header footer. Click on header. When you click on the header, you will see head section, scroll down. So HTML started, open head and a close head. You will see something called open head and close head. At 12th line, open head is there. At 20th head line, close head is there. So just before the close head, paste the code. It has to be always here only. Just before the close head, you have to paste it. Don't worry, I'll revise this update file. Now, whenever you're trying to submit to Google, Google is asking that, why should I believe that tech.woozy.in is your website? What is the proof? I'll give you one code, go and push it over there. I'll come back and check. This is what they say. Now click on verify. Google will go and check on the website, the code is there. If the code is there, it says that it is verified. Now we are part of the Google. Now we are part of the Google. There is a possibility crawler will come and check your website. I'm going to show you the steps actually. Just see this. Okay, I'm writing the steps here. How to submit your website to Google. First, go to Search Console, log in with Gmail account. You will see two boxes. Select second box. Paste website URL and submit. Google will ask you verification. There are so many verification methods, but choose HTML method. Copy the code and paste in head section. To paste the head section, here again I'm telling you, let me show you. Go to WordPress dashboard, appearance, theme file editor. Click on that, then you will get coding dashboard. Right hand side, find header and footer. Click on header and find open head and close head. Paste the code just before the close head. That's it, guys. You can take a screenshot of this or you can take a photo. When you write this, this looks very bigger, but when you do, it's very easy. Nobody is going to ask you to write this much, but just practice it. You might make mistakes. Then I'll tell you how to overcome with the mistakes. I'm going to show you this again, how to submit your website to Google. Okay, let's show you here. So this here, I'm going to search console, click on this, start now, log in with the Gmail account. I have many anyway, but when you're doing for the first time, it will be like this. Select the second box and mention your website name. Assume that my website name is facebook.com. You will not do for another website. You should write your website only. Continue. Then Google asks you, why should I believe that this is your website? Tell me the proof. Here, so many verification methods are there. I'm going for the HTML tag method. There is a code. Copy it. Once you copy it, go to your dashboard. Here, appearance, theme file editor. Now this is the coding dashboard. Here, right hand side, you have two sections, header and footer. Always paste in the header. Click on header. Now you will find open head and close head. Just before the close head, paste the code, update the file. Now once you come back here, click on verify so that it will be verified. This is some dummy I've done, that's why I'm closing this. We already done, now we got a website. That's it, guys. This is how you have to submit to the Google. There are so many options are there. In upcoming sessions, I'm going to talk about all of them, which are advanced. We'll go slow by slow. Just now we learned how to submit your website to the Google. How web position analysis. Now we submitted to Google, right? Where our website is appearing. It's not immediate. We have to wait for 24 hours. So tomorrow I'll tell you how to do the web position analysis, where our website is ranking, and how to improve it. That we're gonna learn it. So Pawan, do you have any questions? Everything is clear? Prashant, Mallikarjun?
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now I think all of you have websites, right? You can able to write a blog.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
On Friday, did I give any topic to write? Did I give any topic on the
Sitemaps.
day?
Sitemaps.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Wedding photographers, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Wedding photographers, ambulance, and
Ambulance, correct, correct. Ambulance service in Hyderabad, wedding photographer. Choose any topic and write it as we discussed and submit to the Google. So if you have all of you have websites, okay. So people who don't have website, please mail me now. Immediately, I'm gonna give you access. Okay. And if this process you don't understand, I'll tell you where to watch the video. ODMT. This video will be available anyway. Apart from that, the older videos are there, SEO training videos. You can refer them. So SEO on-page techniques, how to do title description, and how to submit website to the webmaster tool. Or else anyway, today's class will be available. So this video will be available. Online digital marketing training videos. In the videos, the latest video will be that only. You will check it. Okay. So people who don't have website, please send me immediately. So the lot. And tomorrow when I come back, each and every website content I'll check it. What is your title? What is your description? Whether you give a links or not. Especially I'll ask you for a marks. How many marks you got it? Where it is missing? What problems you're facing? If you learn this, almost it will be done. I think I gave you another task as well about the resorts, correct? Resorts task I gave you. So find out 5 resorts in Hyderabad and what is the title, what is the description and remarks. Once you done this, select the topics of wedding photographers or ambulance in Hyderabad. Select this topic and write a content and show me the number. Any questions, Pawan? Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Asha? Okay then. Okay then. Write content and get back to me. Tomorrow I'll check and I'll show you tomorrow web position analysis, how to check our rank, where it is coming. Then after that, how to move website further. If it is coming in an 80 position, from there, how to bring it to the top also, we're gonna discuss. Okay? Chalo guys, start because you are at office only, right? Now only start writing the blog. So 1 to 1.5 hour you work it and finish the work and go. Okay, Pawan?
Okay, sir.
Chalo guys, thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye. So once again, guys, I'm telling the viewers, I'm taking much efforts and pushing over here. If you know anyone of friends, mostly this is Hyderabad location. 2 to 4 years experience, guys. They're paying 4 to 6 lakhs package, and this is into one healthcare domain only. They need a PPC expert. Now, when it comes to here, we need a Google ad expert separate, Facebook ads expert separate, and mail your resume to Pravalika. Finally, one real estate company is looking for a female candidate. So if you know anyone, it's okay. Otherwise, try to share this content. It will reach more people. So it will help someone. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.